Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can prevent people from checking out your profile picture on Instagram. So what I mean by that is when you go to your profile here, and for me, if I hold press on my profile picture, it should zoom in like that. And for other people who don't have any stories posted, for example, like her, it should just open when you just press on the profile picture right away. So what do you need to do? Well, I don't want to waste your time and present you with an option that's not available. But the thing is, on Android, which is what I'm using, and on PC, which is also what I have, you can actually do it. Because like if you go down here to account privacy, that's going here the triple lines on the top right corner, and then go to account privacy. There used to be an option between private account and allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results that can prevent your profile picture from being expanded. Now, it's gone from Android and on your PC. But however, I hear based on my research that it's still available on iPhone. So all I can offer is that if you want to try and do it, then you should try and use it on an iPhone device. And maybe if you don't have one, you can always borrow someone's Android iPhone device and log in your account there, and it's worth the try. So you should try out. So I think the best option is to try out that one because it's really gone since last year. So yeah, I hope in any way I have helped you in finding out solution, and I hope you do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.